Let's do this. Good Saturday, YouTubers. Willie here with my channel, and I thought I'd give you a special review on the ratchets and equipment that I use on a daily basis. Some are budget, some were on sale, and I'll go over why I like using them. So what I got here is my CT761A electric impact by Snap-on and my CT USB 761 charger. It's a 14.4 volt battery in it, and it charges it. It's got quite a bit of kick to it. Use it all the time. This is my Snap-on 14.4 volt electric impact. It is a CT761A, and it came with a bag, and it came with a charger, and it came with an extra battery, and it's amazingly lightweight. It's pretty compact for its size, and as far as width of the tool, it can fit into really tight areas. And unlike its older model that I used to have, it has I don't know what I'd call it, two-direction switch where you hit down and it goes backwards, and you hit here and it goes forward. Depending on its energy, it's got a little light here. That tells me that the battery is real good. It'll actually be orange or red depending on how much juice is left, unlike a traditional battery reader. And then just thought I'd put this little imbalance when you put a heavier load on it. And so that's one of the downsides, is setting it down. If it's heavier, it'll have issues. But you can get a magnet base for it. Might be something I need to invest into. It's really tough. It's busted a lot of stuff already. I've had it for not even a month, and I've started wearing paint and plastic off of the darn thing. The batteries are light packed and compact. For some reason, mine have black Snap-on print instead of red. I mean, it has it pictured that way on the box down here as a black print, but I don't know. Then the other item I wanted to show you was I've got a CT USB charger. Essentially, you know those phone chargers you get? Well, this one here was one of the Father's Day gift options you can get from Snap-on. And it allows you to put a battery in here, and then you turn it on, and now you can charge with it. It's quite handy. I've used it quite a bit, and it's definitely would be nice when the power goes out or during long trips. And that's all I have on this item. Okay, have a good one. Bye.